Good morning. This is Dr. Phil Joyce. Look at where we're at. We're right here by the library, and I'd like to introduce State Senator Huntley to what prison food look like. State Senator Huntley, do you still think it's freaking funny not doing your goddamn job for me to be fucking homeless, bitch? You a black Democrat and you a piece of shit. Oh, by the way, who killed your son after he got on my TV show and snitched on you? Huh? You still think it's funny? My business out of $5.5 million fucking bucks. I'm out of at least $500,000 of my money. You should rot in that motherfucker, you piece of shit. Have a nice day, State Senator Huntley. Yo, Manny! How'd you like what I did tonight, you? Hey! That's Manny right there. Hey, Manny! Yo! How you doing? That's right, buddy. State Senator Huntley going to jail at 11. She's got about an hour. All right. Yes, State Senator Huntley. Let me see. It's 9:30. You got an hour and a half to be free. And I hope when they lock you up for all that malfeasance, that's not just that they get you for. I hope they also get you for helping kill your son. You have a nice freaking day.